In this class, we'll continue to work with imaging. In web page, usually we wrap text with images. So how can we do that? Let's see example first. You can download the example from D2L. Remember, this is a text file. So we need to copy the code. We need to copy the code to D2L. No, we need to copy the code to Notepad++. And don't forget to save it. In this example, we'll use this image. So you can download this image from D2L. Make sure your code and the image in the same folder. And let's run it first. You can say we wrap image with text. In the first example, the image is kind of separate with the text. In this example, we wrap image with text. On the right side, we have some space. This example on the left side, we can make it small. You can say more clear about the space. You can say on the button on the left side, here on the right side on the button, here again on the right side. So how can we do that? In the body section, first we have heading. We have a brown the color and a line in the center. Then we have heading 3. Then in this paragraph, we include the image and the source, the width, the height, and the alt. You can say we do nothing. So that's why we image like this way. In this example, just second one, this one, we include something equal to style. Remember, we learn this is the attribute. We use style equal to float. We want the image float right, means the image float on the right side of this paragraph. And also we add some space, and the button is 65 pixel. On the left side is 45 pixel. So we use padding and the bottom left. Here we use inline, means we use attribute, use style inside the image tag. In this example, we use class CSS. So we assign this class, this paragraph belongs to class image left. So when we look at the CSS, remember in the head section, we use style type equal to text CSS. And when you say the dot, you know this is a class, and this is the name of the class. In this class, we flow left, and this is the padding, and the bottom and the right side. This example on the left, this is the padding, and in this example, last example here, we say this paragraph belongs to this class image right, and image right is defined here. Image right will float on the right side. We have 25 pixel. You can say this is 25 pixel. So this is the example how we wrap text with image. You can control the right and the left, the space, you and some padding. We also can include the image as background. So let's say another example. Again, you need to download this example from D2L. Also, don't forget that you need to use this image as background. You need to include both of them in your folder. Open it, copy every code, detail, post it, and don't forget to save it. So let's first run it. You can see in this example we have some text. Then we use image, this image. So remember here, body. Where is body? Here. Body is we call this as structural tag. Remember, structural element. So we can use this image for the whole body. It's not only for a paragraph. Certainly, you can use for one paragraph. But in this example, we add this image for the whole body. So use background image. URL is the address. We need the quotation sign. This is the name of the image. The paragraph just the color, the size, and the weight of the paragraph. For background, say this example will repeat this image. Actually, for this image, the size, you can see the original size. Double click it. This is the original size. It's not very big because the text is much bigger than the image. So we need to repeat the image to cover the whole text. But we can control it. So repeat means that we run repeat the image horizontally and vertically. We also can decide that we only want to repeat follow the x-axis or horizontally, or only follow the y-axis, or we don't want to repeat. We only want to use only one image. We also can decide the position of the image. You can put it on the left, center, or right, or like we can use percentage or use pixel. Percentage means the whole screen is 100, except on this right bottom color is 100%, and here the top left color is 0%. In the center is 50%. We can use percentage to control the position, or we also can use this is called the attachment. Means when we scroll the text, the web page, the image and the text move together. That is a scroll. If we want to use fixed, means when we move the text, the image won't follow the movement of the text. You can try it. Just use this example just like this way. So background attachment, you can change it to fixed, or you can change different. This is a horizontal, this is vertical. So you can try use different property to see how it will influence the layout. Finally, we can